Over the span of 6 months, I've made over $18,000 on Whop. Over $12,000 came directly from clipping videos. I've been paid over $300 from a single clip, around $1,000 for one long-form submission, managed over 60 YouTube channels, and even worked behind the scenes as a moderator inside one of the biggest clipping agencies on Whop. After seeing thousands of people try clipping, I've realized something. The people making the most money aren't the best editors. They aren't the smartest, they aren't even working the hardest, they're just playing a completely different game. So if somebody told me I only had the next 30 days to make as much money online as possible before the summer ends, this is exactly what I would do. Now before we get into it, I want to make one thing clear. I don't think clipping is how you get rich. I think clipping is how you get your first real chunk of cash online, so you can build something bigger. That's exactly what it did for me. It helped me build this YouTube channel, land sponsors, grow a community, and gave me the freedom to work on projects I actually enjoy. So if I had to restart tomorrow, here's exactly what I would do. The first thing I'd do is make a Whop account and join a campaign. Then I would subscribe to Way in Video. That might sound weird when the goal is making money. Why would I spend money before I even made my first dollar? Because clipping has never been about making the perfect edit. It's about creating as many opportunities as possible. If a tool helps me create 3 to 4 times as many quality clips every day, that's one of the best investments I can make. I wouldn't spend 2 weeks watching YouTube videos. I wouldn't spend 2 months trying to become the world's greatest editor. I would just start uploading. One thing I learned from working inside a clipping agency is that most people never actually fail. They just never start. Or they upload 5 videos, get no views, and convince themselves that clipping doesn't work. That was literally me. When I started, I thought everyone online was lying. I would upload videos, nothing. Terrible views, terrible RPMs, no money. I genuinely thought clipping was dead. Then one video did pretty decent, and then another, then another. Nothing about my editing suddenly became amazing. I just gave myself enough chances to win. That's something beginners completely misunderstand. They think the goal is to make one viral clip. It's not. The goal is to make enough good clips that eventually one goes viral. Clipping has always been a volume game, not a perfection game. The next thing I would do, I would stop obsessing over finding the perfect campaign. People spend more time choosing a creator than actually clipping them. It's completely backwards. Can some campaigns pay better? Of course. But almost every campaign can make money if you're consistently posting. Personally, I would still choose lifestyle creators. Those creators naturally create stories. People changing their lives, making mistakes, fixing mistakes, winning, losing. That's the type of content people actually watch. Streamers are another great option because funny moments happen naturally. Podcasts, on the other hand, I'd mostly avoid those unless they're actually entertaining. Once I had a campaign, my only goal for the first week would be simple. 10 clips every day. I wouldn't care about views, I wouldn't care about money, I wouldn't even care if every clip flopped. Because during that first week, you're not trying to make money, you're just trying to build a system. And for me personally, that system starts with Way in Video. Instead of spending hours watching long-form content trying to find one good moment, I can just upload a video, let it find potential clips, tweak them, export them, and move on. That means I'm spending less time editing and more time uploading. Every upload teaches you something. Every upload gives the algorithm another chance to find an audience. The biggest mistake I see is people judging clipping after 3 days. This business doesn't work like that. Sometimes your 10th clip goes viral, sometimes it's your 20th, sometimes it's your 50th. You don't know which one it's going to be. That's why consistency wins. Once I knew I was committed, that's when I would lean into AI. Not because AI magically makes you money, because it gives you more opportunities to make money. When I first started clipping, everything was manual. Finding moments, editing captions, cropping, exporting, uploading. It took forever. If I was starting today, I would definitely use Way in Video. I've tried a lot of AI clipping tools over the last few months, and it's the one I kept recommending because it saves me the most time. You upload a video, it finds potential clips, creates captions, reframes the video, you just make a few adjustments, export, and move on. That extra time doesn't just mean less work, it means more opportunities. Instead of making 5 clips, you can make 20. And in clipping, 20 good clips will almost always beat 5 perfect ones. That's the biggest mindset shift I can give you. Don't use AI because it's cool. Use AI because it lets you spend more time on things that actually grow your income. Finding better creators, testing more campaigns, uploading more content, and building a business. Once I started making money, I wouldn't spend it. I would scale. At one point, I was managing around 60 YouTube channels. Now I'm not telling you to go make 60 channels tomorrow, but I am telling you that one channel shouldn't be your end goal. There's no way I would attempt something like that today without a tool like Way in Video. Once you have a system that works, run another channel, then another, post on Instagram Instagram and TikTok, use burner phones if you're trying to target the US audience, just get friends and family involved and split the revenue. The people making the most money aren't making the best clips, they're creating the most opportunities. Stop thinking like an editor, start thinking like someone building an actual business. And finally, I don't actually want you clipping forever. Seriously, if you're still clipping every day 2 years from now, you probably missed the point. Use clipping to build your first stack of cash. Then use that cash to build something bigger. Start a YouTube channel, start a business, build software, create a brand, whatever you want. So if you're watching this with 30 days left before the end of summer, create a Whop account, join a campaign. If you're serious about doing this at scale, just grab Wayne Video so you can spend your time creating more opportunities instead of manually editing all day. Then upload 10 clips a day. Stay consistent long enough to give yourself a chance. Because I promise you, the people making the most money in clipping aren't lucky. They simply kept posting after everyone else quit. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, subscribe, and if you start clipping after watching this video, I would love to hear how it goes. Also make sure to join the free Discord server. I'll leave the link down below.